I was real happy to hear that police will be cracking down on fireworks this year. These cannon-type fireworks are too much. They shake my whole house, and I can't find my cats for 2 days. I think it's a matter of respect. A few people shouldn't hold a whole neighborhood hostage because they want to break the fireworks ordinances. This says city police will be actively enforcing fireworks ordinances over the July 4th holiday. Captain Browning, Chief of Police, has made this matter a high priority because of many complaints from residents. BCPID has private police patrols scheduled to work this weekend. As part of their duties, they will be responding to calls reported to city police. The minimum fine for fireworks is $137.50. Fireworks may bother any combat veterans in the area as well as our fur babies. Please be considerate of others this weekend. There will be many venues in Baton Rouge and New Orleans that have firework displays. This reminds me, my little brother and his friend started to shoot bottle rockets on their driveway. And right next door, this man fell down on his driveway because he thought he was getting shot at. It was very traumatic. It was a big deal. And it sort of turned me away from fireworks in general. Plus the fact I almost blew my hand off. I think this is the right thing to do. Go to a designated area and pop your fireworks. You never know how you're going to affect somebody. That's it.